Welcome to my kitchen again, Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a simple Filipino um, potato salad, which it was taught to me when I was a young person. And the same recipe today I'm going to show you. The original recipe that was used with mayonnaise, but I'm not using mayonnaise. Instead of mayonnaise, I'm going to use sour cream. Like for some of you can't take mayonnaise because it contains egg and all, so I'm going to show you the 100% vegetarian version. And so for this I have 3 boiled potatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons of crushed uh, pineapple. It's from a can, and I have a quarter onion of a large onion that I've chopped finely. So now I'm going to the steps are I'm going to beat the sour cream, then I'm going to add the ingredients. So let's start. Viewers, the sour cream has been well beaten. So now I'm going to add some onions first. And I'm going to mix it well. The onions is an optional if you want or not. And I'm going to add this pineapple, crushed pineapple. And lastly, the potatoes goes in. Be gentle with the potatoes. The potatoes might break. And it's all is about like coating the potato. Hello viewers, let me present to you the potato salad, the Filipino version of the potato salad. And after this you can put it in the fridge, cool it off before you serving it. And I hope you try this, and let me know in your comments what do you think about it. And also please subscribe my channel, share the video, talk to your friend about it, and anyone who is like interested in vegetarian options. Yeah, here you go, and I present to you. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day.